Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us time and health so we can do our practicum. We are from Group 1 and we will do our practicum about the water.
Hi, my name is Yana Sofia Putri, and in this video I will do the practicum about the water. And I use 4 container here, this and this is. So for the first step, I will move the water to this container. Let's check it out. Okay, we can see that the water follows the shape of the container. You can see, and the color of red, it's because I mix the water with the syrup. Okay, and then we will move to the glass. Yes, let's see, the water also follow the shape of the glass. How amazing the water is. And the last, I will move the water in this glass to the last container with the shape of this container. You can see, and here I will try to touch the water. I can't touch the water, but I can feel it. The water is cool, and we also can push the water like this. It sounds like pok pok pok, and then I can make the water like wave. Okay, that's all, and thank you.
Here I want to do the experiment about the water. So now we have the colored water. So we will put this water into the containers that I have here. So the first is glass. And then I will put this into this droplet. But as soon as we give the food coloring to the water, it mixes and it beats the color of the food coloring, which is here is pink. So it's a good solvent. And also, when we put the water into the containers, you can see the water can be adjusted to the shape of the containers. And also, like this. Will be felt by us, which is it's warm or it's hot or it's cold, etc. And also, if we shake, the container will be shaken. And if we do this or we shake this water, we can hear the sound of the water. Okay, that's it. I think that's from me.
Hello, my name is Gracia Valentina Gaul. Here I will try transfer water into various form of container. Okay. Here we can see the water was originally in this bottle and the water followed the shape of the bottle. Then I will pour this water into the head measuring. Now we can see the water is follow the shape of the measuring of the rice. Next, I will pour the water into the glass. Now, we can see the water is follow the shape of the glass. Okay, the last we can say the pour of the water into the bonton. Now, we can see the water is to follow the shape of the bonton. Okay, that's all I have to say. Thank you.
This experiment will transfer this water into the three different containers. As you can see, the shape of the water in this glass corresponds to the shape of the glass. And when we move the water to another container, like this, we also move it to a different container. And we also fill the container. We also see that the shape of the water immediately changes to the shape of the container. And in this case, water has flexible properties and always adapts to its place. And if I try to position my hand into the container, and when the water is poured into my palm, the water will occupy space and are shaped according to the shape of the palm. But if we try to hold into the water like this, we can see that we can't hold the water, but we can feel it and also know that the water is wet.
Hi, I'm Josephine Malia. Here I want to do the practicum about the water.
Okay, here I have coloring water and I will pour it into this glass. Okay, after that I will pour it again to this glass. And from this experiment, it can be seen that water can adjust its shape in its container. And then it can also be seen that water can make a sound when it's shaken.
My name is Mama Saika. Here I will do experiment about water. Here I have 4 different container and water, and I will pour water into different container. The first bottle, water follow the shape of container, and the second container, same like the first container, and the third container, like this, and the last container, like this. And next I will hold the water. Saya tidak bisa memegang water, air, tapi saya bisa merasakan air. Dan bila saya mengguncang air, air akan terguncang juga mengikuti bentuk wadah. Based on the result of experiment that have been carried out by group 1, it can be concluded that 1. Water has unique characteristics that other compounds do not have. 2. Water is a good solvent because when mixed with the food color, it is easy to mix because the water has a polar bonds, namely hydrogen bonds. So the bonds tend to be strong and the bin order polar compound. So they mix with each other. Due to the presence of the strong bonds, there are more substances that can dissolve in the water because they can compensate for the strong bonds in the water. However, there are some substances that are insoluble in the water such as oil. 3. Water always follow the shape of the container that is used because the particles that make up water are far apart so that the particle can move follow the container, and the water also has a molecular property that are not dense and dense but are tenuous. So the shape of the water will change, but the volume remains the same. This is also it's easier for the water to flow and adjust the container to the influence of pressure. 5. Water can be held because water has a flexible property and water has small molecules so that it can sip or come out of the place that has a smaller gaps or hole. Water is also difficult to grip because when holding there is no room to hold water. Plus, there is pressure from the muscle or our palm and finger, so that water will quickly out the crevice of the finger. We can feel the water and feel that the water is wet because of the sensation we feel caused by movement or fluid over our skin. Also due to us measuring temperature and texture change when they come into contact with it. 6. Water also shaken when the container is shaken because the particles that make up the water are small and slightly loose so they can move freely. The last, water can sound when shaken because the sound can be emitted by the process of propagation. Sound propagation medium can be a solid or fluid, or flowing substance including fluid and gas. Sound propagation can be soaked to water.